How to use Tinder or a complete beginner's guide. The first things first is, of course, you want to have to go into your Google Play Store or any available app store that you used often to download applications on your mobile device. Go into search and look for Tinder app. This is the application that we're looking for. Now download and install this, and I'm going to explain to you how it works. So first things first, it's just very simple. Create a profile, swiping, matching, and chatting. And then the key features for this specific application here is it has actually a proximity base where the app shows users who are nearby, free to use, safety features, and it has multiple intentions. So the very first instance to pull up Tinder application is you'll be given an option to choose either your Google account, Facebook, or you can continue creating an account with your phone number. But in this video, let's just try to create a test account using our Google account. Now, once you've successfully chosen Google account or either of those options, you will be asked to input your phone number so that Tinder will provide you a verification code, and then just simply input that code there. So this is going to be your welcome page. Just choose on I agree, and then you can add your existing name, add your birth date, and then lastly, you can add your recent pictures for you to be able to complete the registration. And the next page, you would like to have introduction about yourself so that the person that will get interact with you will surely about brief about yourself. Now, this is going to be your home dashboard. All I have to do from here for you to be able to connect more people is to just simply reload or subscribe into Tinder Gold. And that's it. That's basically how you can use Tinder with a complete beginner's guide.